Hey YouTube, I'm just going to do a quick video on my two new AMD Radeon 6800 XTs that I got this weekend. I'm just going to do an unboxing video and then going to show you what stock settings looks like in Windows mining. Now, excuse my poor camera angle, but I do not have a stand currently. But this is first time I'm opening it up, brand new. So this 6800 XT, oh, it's pretty big. It's my first one. Been using a bunch of 5800s and a Vega and a 5700 XT. So this one has the 3 fans. As you can see, it's sealed. Oh, this is quite big. Wow. I'm just gonna go to my mining stand and hook it up, and we'll get back to you guys in a few seconds.